Now, for the next up, we'll quickly try to look at how microorganisms are able to spread from one part of the body to another through the bloodstream. So, have an infection at this particular place. Now, the infection is going on. Once this infection now takes off and gets into the bloodstream is like a transport path. So the infection can be able to go to wherever simply because it got into the bloodstream. So let's look at how this actually happens. So infections, just like we know, can infect the body indirectly, okay, by spreading through the bloodstream, and this is usually known as hematogenous dissemination. So it's spreading from one part to another simply because the infection eventually got into the blood, So how does infection actually get into the human blood? Okay, let's look at that. So first of all, entry into the blood vessels. So the microorganisms can actually penetrate the epithelium. They may even enter the lymphatics. Some can directly invade small blood vessels by damaging endothelial cells. So transient bacteremia. So for a short time, you're having high levels of bacteria in blood, okay? Maybe dental procedures, maybe even when you are brushing your teeth, okay? Minor traumas. So some of them can be cleared by the immune system, but if your immune system is not strong enough, infection starts. So persistent bloodstream infection, this is when the pathogens have eventually survived in the blood. They have actually they have bypassed all the all the efforts of your immune system to take them out have been actually nulled up, So examples of microorganisms that usually spread via blood very well include the bacteria like Staphylococcus aureus, Streptococcus pneumoniae, and Escherichia coli. Fungi like the Candida albicans. Viruses like HIV virus, hepatitis virus, and the cytomegalovirus. Okay, so parasites, the Plasmodium, the Trypanosoma, they can all spread through the blood very well. Okay, so that's what we got for this. Basically how microorganisms are able to move from one place to another via bloodstream.